students. In today's video, we are going to solve one of the competitive exam questions of physics. I hope you all are doing absolutely great, and let's begin with the session. Okay, it's a very chotu sa question. Let's see how you can solve this under less than a minute. So it's asking you that the pair of quantities having same dimensions. Okay, so first of all, if you see what is an impulse, let's talk about what an impulse is. So if I talk about what an impulse is nothing but simply, okay, just remember impulse stands for F into T. Okay, so F into T. Okay, okay. And then what is the surface tension? Surface tension is nothing but force into length. Okay, surface tension is nothing but force into length. Okay. Now, if you can clearly make out, here it is length, here it is time. So definitely they cannot have same dimensions. So first of all, we are going to cancel this option. Okay, this is not a right answer. Now, next let's go to angular momentum. What is angular momentum? Angular momentum is nothing but moment of inertia. Okay, it's moment of inertia into angular velocity. Now, most of the students will not be knowing what is the moment of inertia, what is angular velocity, how are you going to find its dimensions. Okay, so what you're going to do, move on to the next one. Now you see here work. Work, all of you know, right? What is work? Work is nothing but force into displacement. That is what we have studied from small little grades that we have come up with, right? So in a in basics of physics also you have learned that work is nothing but force into displacement. Okay, now look here. What do we have next? Torque. Now by the time you've come to class 11th and 12th, you know that torque is nothing but, that is simply represented by toe, right? Torque is nothing but what? Force into perpendicular distance, right? So whether it's a perpendicular distance or a parallel distance, whatever it is, right? We always represent it by S. S or simply length, correct? Force into perpendicular distance, force into displacement. It's one and the same, right? We have a constant dimensional value, that is EL, correct? So force into length, force into length. So in the sense, that is our right answer. So option number C is absolutely right. Okay, this is the correct answer. Which one? Option number C. I hope it was very easy to understand. So first of all, if you don't know anything, just don't panic. Look for something that you know, right? The moment you search for something that you know, you're going to feel things are more easier. Okay, so don't panic. If you don't know dimension question, look for such options where easily you can eliminate it. Okay, so if you checked for option A, definitely you came to know it's not the answer. B, probably you don't know, move to C. Yes, you got the answer right over there, right? So don't lose hope, just try and try and try. You will definitely get the answer. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, please do share it with your friends and help them out too. And all the best. Stay happy and keep learning. Thank you.